Welcome to Petros Stones. At Petros Stones, we offer over 100 plus shades with a huge variety of options. Ever wondered how stone slabs go from rugged mountains to polished masterpieces? Let's take you inside the world of stone processing machinery. Crafted with cutting-edge Breton technology, loading of blocks through gantry crane, cutting of blocks with Gangsaw, bridge cutter machine, polishing of slabs and line polisher machine, CNC machine for cutting of slabs as per the required size. For more information, contact Petros Stone.